D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC such that angle CAB equals CDA. See, this part is only very important in this problem. With this, easily we can finish the problem. Show that CA square equals CB into CD. Fine. So, why I am telling this part is very important, because I'll use this as a triangles. Triangle CAB and triangle CDA. And I'll prove these two triangles are only similar. Because see, already they gave one angle CAB, this angle CAB means this one is equal to CDA, this angle. One angle they gave equal. And if you'll start reading CAB CDA, angle C is common. Two triangles are similar. If you'll write sides proportional, then you'll get the answer. Now see here. Angle CAB equals angle CDA given. Next, angle C equals angle C, common angle. Fine. Now triangle CAB is similar to triangle CDA. Angle similarity. So corresponding sides are proportional. If the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. So if I'll write corresponding sides, see, I'll write like this. Here I'll take first two, CA CD. CA by CD equals, next I'll take AB DA. AB by DA. Then I'll take CB, here I'll take CA. CB by CA. CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangle. So here corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. If the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional, corresponding angles are equal. But I need to prove in terms of sides. So see here, I need to prove CA square. So CA I have here and here. So what I'll do, I'll equate these both. This one and this one. So I'll write CA by CD equals CB by CA. If I'll cross multiply CA into CA, CA square this here equals CB into CD. This was the required answer. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.